The Harmonic clinical trial is focused on never smokers with non-small cell lung cancer. Non-small cell lung cancer in never smokers is about 18% of new cases in the US and about 25% globally. Non-small cell lung cancer in never smokers is unfortunately a growing disease, and there are very few options in terms of therapy. This is a clinical trial sponsored by Lantern Pharma, a biotech using AI and genomics to rescue and develop new therapies focused on unique cancer populations.
What is unique about never smokers with non-small cell lung cancer? How is lung cancer different in these patients?
Lung cancer in never smokers is a very different disease. Its mutational profile is different. The type of biomarkers that drive the disease can be very different. And it's a very quiet and subtle molecular profile. What does that mean? That means that the genomic alterations in the cancer DNA are different, and therefore they respond differently to therapies. The Harmonic clinical trial is focused on this unique patient population.
How does the investigational drug LP300 work in these type of distinct cancers?
LP300 works very uniquely in non-small cell lung cancer. Non-small cell lung cancer in never smokers is a type of cancer that drives growth through the overexpression of certain proteins. These proteins are then ingested into the cancer through unique receptors. LP300 works by denaturing those receptors, essentially not allowing the intake of those tyrosine kinase proteins. LP300 also has a second mechanism that allows greater sensitivity to chemotherapeutic agents. These two mechanisms work together, we believe, to increase the chances of survival and progression-free survival, and we believe this mechanism is unique in never smokers versus smokers.
How long will this phase 2 trial take, and when do you expect to have data?
Enrollment in the phase 2 Harmonic clinical trial has begun across a number of sites. We believe that the enrollment period will take about 12 to 18 months to enroll the 90 patients that we need for this trial. We expect to have data from the first set of patients in about the same time.
Where will you be enrolling patients?
The Harmonic clinical trial will be enrolling patients in the United States in both academic centers as well as large community oncology centers. We expect to add several more sites throughout the year, and we hope to enroll 90 patients in the trial to give us a clear indication of how the drug is effective in the never smoker population.
You mentioned in your opening that lung cancer among never smokers is a growing cancer. Can you provide us with some numbers for this in terms of patients?
Even though there are a whole number of great new drugs for lung cancer, never smokers are a unique class of patients. There are roughly 24,000 to 40,000 patients every year in the United States that have non-small cell lung cancer that are also never smokers. We believe this number is actually growing because of earlier and improved diagnosis, but also there are actual germline mutations that are inherited, and mutations caused by the environment that are driving this unfortunate disease of non-small cell lung cancer in never smokers. There's roughly $2 to $2.5 billion spent on therapy every year globally for never smokers. That is not a wonderful outcome. We believe that the Harmonic clinical trial can help establish new insights to non-small cell lung cancer in never smokers and actually provide a great therapeutic option with LP300. I'd like to thank you for taking some time to learn about the Harmonic trial and learn about never smokers in this unique disease of non-small cell lung cancer. We hope that the Harmonic clinical trial will help improve overall survival in non-small cell lung cancer patients.